storm echoes coming in pretty hot. Let's see if they updated your severe thunderstorm warning. Oh man. Nope, still supposed to expire right now.
What expired?
The storm warning. Yeah, it seems to kind of be tapering off a little bit. Oh. Hello?
It says inside a sturdy structure, stay away from windows.
What?
That's what it says on this warning.
What is it, a tornado or something?
It was near Washougal headed west toward your region. It says
Turn your lights on!
now. In a sturdy structure, stay away from windows.
Guy doesn't have his lights on. His window is rolled down so I don't know if I can yell at him.
If you had that power, man, that would...
Holy, that was a huge... That was tough.
Did you get that one, okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Pan around, show the horizon. Whoa! That looks so cool.
The trees are kind of...
Yeah, but they'll get a nice contrast with the lights now.
Is it getting nuts or what?
It's kind of the same, but it's still thunder and lightning.
Wow.
Whoa.
Great. What a treat.
What a treat.
Uh-oh. Someone on the blog, it's that interesting storm radar in Vancouver has now formed a low line characteristic. It's just jetted southward across the Columbia River.
Oh, so it's heading that way.
Towards Portland?
Oh, echoes are bad. Cause tornadoes.
Did you get that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty wicked.
So can you upload these up on those blogs?
Yeah, if you upload on the blog, they do backflips.
What website are you on?
People on here, they're like, oh, can someone please upload some of that video? And this guy's like, I'll try, but it's on my old ass camcorder. I don't know how to transfer it.
What website are you
Yeah,
at?
go do it. Whoa, that was a good one.
On Channel 12 website, you go to the weather, scroll halfway down, there's a weather blog.
Alright.
And people do backflips.